If you're a cooking enthusiast or looking to elevate your culinary game, this Cuisinart 17-piece cookware set, Chef's Classic Steel Collection, could be your perfect companion. This comprehensive cookware set is tailored for both serious home chefs and casual cooks, offering durability, versatile functionality, and timeless design. Let's explore the features that make this set a must-have for any kitchen. 1. High-quality construction for longevity. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Steel Collection is built from premium stainless steel, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to warping or tarnishing over time. Each piece is designed with an aluminum encapsulated base, a feature that promotes even heating to eliminate hot spots, so your food cooks consistently and perfectly every time. The mirror finish exterior adds a sleek touch, fitting seamlessly into any modern kitchen aesthetic. Imagine creating beautifully even dishes every time, thanks to the precision heat distribution of Cuisinart's encapsulated base. Who wouldn't want their cookware to work as hard as they do? 2. Versatile. Set with essential pieces. This 17-piece set is one of the most extensive cookware sets offered by Cuisinart. It includes 1 quart, 1.5 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart saucepans, each with glass covers. 3.5 quart sauté pan with helper handle and cover. 4 quart Dutch oven with glass cover. 8 quart stockpot with glass cover. 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch skillets. The 12-inch comes with a cover. 20 centimeter steamer insert with a cover. With this range of cookware, you'll be able to handle everything from frying, sautéing, steaming, to simmering. The induction-ready base ensures compatibility with all types of stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. Whether you're preparing sauces, searing meats, or cooking large family meals, this set covers all the bases, saving you time and enhancing your cooking versatility. 3. Convenient features for effortless cooking. Cuisinart has carefully designed this set with convenience in mind. Each saucepan features measurement markings on the interior, making it easy to follow recipes without additional measuring cups. Plus, the drip-free pouring edges prevent messy spills and make serving more manageable. Every handle is riveted stainless steel, providing durability and a comfortable, firm grip. 4. Tempered glass lids for easy monitoring. Each covered pan in this set includes a tempered glass lid that locks in flavor, moisture, and nutrients while allowing you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid. This feature is a game changer for multitaskers who want to keep an eye on their food without constantly opening and closing lids, risking loss of heat and flavor. Why guess when you can see? The tempered glass lids let you keep an eye on your food, ensuring perfect results every time. 5. Safe and easy cleaning. The entire set is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup after meals as easy as possible. Furthermore, each piece is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to start your cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven for added flavor and texture. 6. Superior handling with comfort. The Chef's Classic Steel Collection offers exceptional handling, making your cooking experience safe and comfortable. The rivet-secured stainless steel handles provide stability and balance, which is essential for transferring hot and heavy dishes safely. The helper handles make lifting and pouring easy, even for larger, heavier pots. Additionally, the flavor lock lids trap steam inside, so your food stays tender, juicy, and flavorful. Imagine lifting a full pot of stew with ease and confidence, thanks to the sturdy, comfortable handles. Why Cuisinart Chef's Classic is worth every penny. This collection stands out because it combines the features of high-end cookware with an accessible price point. For the quality and functionality it offers, the Chef's Classic Steel Collection provides great value for the money. Plus, Cuisinart backs this set with a lifetime warranty, underscoring their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Who should consider this cookware set? This set is perfect for home cooks and food enthusiasts who want a versatile, complete set that meets every cooking need. Large families and entertainers who need various sizes and types of pots and pans to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Aspiring chefs looking for high-quality cookware without the high-end price tag. Anyone seeking durable, stylish cookware that will withstand years of regular use. Conclusion: a durable and stylish investment for your kitchen. The Cuisinart 17-piece cookware set, Chef's Classic Steel Collection is an excellent choice if you're looking to invest in quality cookware that is both functional and durable. With its stylish appearance, induction-ready base, and wide range of essential pieces, this set is as practical as it is attractive. The user-friendly features, such as measurement markings, drip-free pouring, and tempered glass lids, make cooking more accessible and enjoyable. The Chef's Classic Steel Collection doesn't just provide cookware, it enhances your culinary experience, giving you the tools to create professional quality meals at home. Whether you're a novice or seasoned cook, this cookware set is bound to elevate your kitchen game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.